Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Excel application course. We will continue with the formatting text layout and design topic, and this time we will be looking at aligning text and using indentations. So let's pull up one of our workbook and show you how to get on with this. So let's save this workbook first, and in order to do alignment, it has to do with the positioning of your text within your cell. So you can have what we call, on a horizontal level. So if we go, for example, with this cell, you see that the text is more to the left. You can also make it come to the right of the cell or at the center. It could also be that you want to align your text vertically. For example, if you come to this particular text, now this is at the bottom of the cell. It can also be at the top or at the middle. So these are the things we will look at when we talk about alignment. So let's start with this guy. So let's go for journal because it's a shorter word and you can see clearly what happens. So to use the alignment for horizontal one, that is the left, center, and right within the cell, you can go to home menu, and under alignment you can click the arrow down here, and this displays dialog box. So here I can say for horizontal, make sure you are under alignment, and under the text alignment and under horizontal you can click this down, and you can either say left, center, or right. There are many other ones there that you can choose, but I rather focus on these three, and you can play with the other ones on your own later. So currently this text is left aligned. Well, it says general, but let's see if you say left and you say okay, nothing changes. But if you go back to alignment and if you say center, then it's at the center of the cell. We can also go back again, and under horizontal you can say right, and it's at the right part. So let's put it back to left again, and that's okay. So to practice with the vertical one, I will go to a row that is a bigger height, so this one. So let's increase this. Okay, so I want to move this vertically, so I go back to my alignment under the home menu, click the arrow, but this time under alignment I go to vertical. It's currently at the bottom. I can take it to the top, and I can say okay, and it goes to the top, and I go back vertical, and I go to the center, and it's at the center between the top and the bottom. Now I can use both horizontal and vertical in this case. So I still highlight this text, I go to alignment, and I click the arrow, and I can go to horizontal, and I said, well, I want it at the center horizontally, and vertically I want it at the top. So it will be at the top and at the center. So let's see how it goes. So at the top and centralized horizontally. So that's how you can use alignment, and shortcuts for it are also here. So here you can see currently that this is aligned at the top because this text is selected. It says it's aligned vertically at the top and horizontally at the center. You can also change it here by saying left, and it goes there, and bottom, or you can say center. You can also do that to a group of text. So let's select, let's say these three tags, and we just put them to the horizontal left, okay, and center, or you can say center. So that's how you do it. Now you can also do indentation is also another way of alignment, but a step-by-step movement. we go straight to the indent tab, which is on the home end here. But before we use the decrease and increase indent, let's select the text we want to. So let's go back to journal here, and it's at the left. Let's go in the increase indent. So, and you watch what happens. So if I click and you see journal is moving. So one step at a time, I'm taking it to the right, first to the center and then to the right. Keep clicking, and I can go back, which is decrease indent. I can decide I want to leave it here. So it's up to you, depending on if you just want to use step-by-step movement, or you want to jump straight to the right or the top or center. You can use a line, and if you want to do step-by-step, you can use indent. So you can apply this as much as you want. And that brings us to the end of this particular video. Thank you for watching, and see ya.